Our smartphones provide greater connectivity to all aspects of our life. That's why the MyCitroën app allows you to get the most out of your Citroen. Access real-time updates on your vehicle, with information like fuel consumption, mileage, and maintenance reminders. There's no need to rack your brain for dates or do complicated maths. Using the app couldn't be easier. If you've already got a Citroen Service Store account, that will also be your login for the app. If you haven't yet created a MyCitroën login, you can do so on the Services Store or via the app itself. Once you've downloaded the app, you need to follow the instructions on screen to activate your account and connect your phone and car via Bluetooth. You will need your VIN number, so be sure to note that down before you start. You can locate your VIN number at the base of your windscreen or in your handbook. Once you've set up your connection directly to your vehicle, the app is intuitive and easy to use. You can access things like video tutorials, handbook, book an appointment with your local retailer, manage your connected services subscriptions and navigation map updates, view the latest news, exclusive offers and after-sales promotions. All there to help you get the most out of your Citroen. For more detailed information on how to use the app, visit the Citroen website, where there are lots of handy tutorials to support you.
Citroën.